Well, hi, everybody. It's your girl, Shannon, and this is Mind Your Business with Shannon, where we discuss everything business and how to lead your best and balanced life. Well, today we are going to be talking about how to find top high-paying work-from-home jobs. Before we get started, just wanted to put just a little disclaimer out there. You guys be safe. With everything that's going on, please be safe. Adhere to the precautions given by the federal government and by your local governmental agencies. Please be safe, be safe, be safe. Wash your hands. And let's just use some common sense during these trying times, okay? All righty, now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're going to talk about how to find top high-paying work-from-home jobs. Since we're home, we're stuck. Let's try to see if we can, find ways to, kind of bring in some income. Oh, and by the way, I'm Shannon. So let's go on ahead and get started. Now, before we actually start talking about what these high-paying work-from-home jobs are, let's kind of talk about the resources first. The resources are actual places where you can go that you can find these jobs, so that you can put your name on the list so that people can find you. Okay, so either you're going to be finding them or they're going to be finding you. All right, the first resource is Fiverr. We're also going to talk about Upwork, Indeed, Craigslist, Glassdoor, ZipRecruiter, Freelancer, and Amazon. All right, so let's go on ahead and get started. We're going to talk about virtual assistants and online contractors. So what does that actually look like? A social media management person, marketing for social media, administrative support, doing calendaring, just, providing the support that companies are going to need, and they may not necessarily want to hire an employee. Having a virtual assistant is going to be sufficient for what their needs are. And as much as we're on social media, you have more knowledge about social media than you think. So don't take the word management and take the word marketing and get all, discombobulated by that. Let's just kind of look through them all and let's see where you fit. Copywriting, MailChimp. MailChimp, I actually use MailChimp, and MailChimp is a wonderful platform to actually to start and to grow your email list, and to also do email campaigns. And we all know that a lot of these businesses, they need to have social engagement. They need to have these different things going on, but may not either know how to do it, may not want to do it, and may not have the time to do it. So this is where you step in. WordPress. How many people are actually on WordPress and blogging on WordPress? You may be the one to actually write those blog posts. You never know. People are still blogging these days. What about content writing? Now, how do I rank on Google? You know that Google is the largest search engine there is. And guess who also owns YouTube? Well, Google does. And YouTube is also considered to be a search engine. So why not, if you have knowledge about SEO and how to navigate it and how to work through it, why not go on ahead and get yourself out there as an SEO specialist? that you can audit websites. You may even be able to audit what's going on their YouTube channel. You just never know what types of opportunities are out there. What about a video editor, data entry, doing online tutoring, teaching English, an insurance consultant, a YouTube manager, translators, transcriptionists, maybe some blog content may need to be translated into a different language, or you may need to transcribe video or audio. And a paid ads manager for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And remember, do not get overwhelmed by some of these titles, because YouTube is your friend. If there's something that you don't quite understand or something that you're not sure of, go to YouTube and see if someone has something on YouTube that can teach you. I use YouTube for everything. It's not only, for me to engage with you, but it's also a great source of information. So let's just kind of take a look at these, see where you fit in. Now, we were talking about being a YouTuber. And guys, there are people that's doing this full time. This is their full-time job, being a YouTuber. So, monetize your message through Google AdSense. People may want you to help with their branding. You may have some brand deals, sponsorships. You can even sell. You may have an online course that you want to sell. You may have t-shirts that you want to sell. Direct to lead pages. There are all sorts of things that you can do as a YouTuber. But first, you have to be at a point where you have found your voice. And once you've found your voice, the next thing is to get it monetized. This is some wonderful passive income, guys. But in order to do that, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, which we are on our way to actually doing just that. And you also have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, let's just say you started your YouTube channel in 2017 and you have just hit your 4,000 watch hours. Well, that's not going to count. You're not going to be able to monetize your channel because those 4,000 watch time hours have to be within a 12-month period of time. So you have to have accumulated that within 1 year. Then you'll be at a point where you can monetize your channel. Now, if you have a background in sales, then becoming a virtual salesperson is your niche. You can enroll potential clients into various programs. You can work for coaches, consultants, and also for telecommunications. Now, Upwork was one of the resources, and I just did a screenshot of what it looks like on Upwork. Once you get your niche and you know exactly what it is that you want to have as your virtual assistant specialty, this is a good place for you to come. Let's just look at what Christina is doing. Christina is charging $65 an hour to do content writing, copywriting, social media marketing. She has already done 73 jobs, okay? Look at Letitia. Letitia is charging $15 an hour to write your blogs and to be a virtual assistant. And she's proficient with MailChimp, WordPress, and social media management. Julie charges $31 an hour to do administrative support as a virtual assistant, and Jasmine is charging $25 an hour also as a virtual assistant doing social media management. So as you can see, there's perfect work out there for freelancers. You just have to figure out where you fit in. Also on Fiverr, it's the same thing. There's an actual search engine within Fiverr, which you can actually put in what your keyword is and then find out what's out there. What are some of the things that people are searching for? Some of the more popular virtual assistants and online contractors are voiceovers, translations, logo design, articles, and blog posts. Okay, now I also want to go over a few of the other resources that are out there just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. One of the other resources was freelancer. And if you just go down a little bit, choose freelancers. Whatever your needs, there will be a freelancer to get it done. All you have to do is just sign up. Sign up, browse portfolios, live chat. You have 24/7 support. Look, website development, graphic design, logo design, writing, marketing, mobile app. So I just want you to see what is out there for you. This is Indeed. And with Indeed, looking for a virtual assistant anywhere. Let's hit find jobs. Virtual assistant, here's something for Simplero in New York State. Staying adaptable and calm under pressure. An insatiable drive to follow up and follow through. Comfort with new technology and systems. Virtual assistant for online business. Adventures in Wisdom. They're located in Austin, Texas. And look, they are urgently hiring. Must have at least 2 years experience with Infusionsoft. Virtual assistance level, must have proven experience as VA for 100% online business. And of course, they're probably going to want you to do some of their marketing. But it's wonderful. It is absolutely wonderful. Let's take a look at Glassdoor. Glassdoor.com, look at this. Learn more about companies. You can read thousands of reviews. Know your worth. Apply to jobs with your profile. So with all of these, you're going to have to create an account. Oh my goodness, look at ZipRecruiter. Oh my goodness, we did just a search up here. Work from home. New Orleans, work from home customer service representative. Work at home customer service professional. Work from home medical scheduling representative. So there are tons and tons and tons of jobs out there that you can actually work from home. Now, let's go to Amazon because I want to be able to show you how to go to where you need to be. Okay, I had already been there earlier. But if you scroll all the way down, you see, get to know us, you're going to hit careers. Then scroll down some more, remote career opportunities. That's where you're going to view. And look, you can either select something full-time, part-time, or seasonal. Architects, sales, advertising, and accounting management, human resources, work from home, digital services, and Alexa support associate. So come on, guys, it's out there. All you have to do is just take time. It's not going to cost you anything. I'm saying, guys, it's not going to cost you anything to just do it. Do it. Go to those websites, use those resources, and see what's available. Know what your niche is. What is it that you like to do? What are some of the services, talents, and expertise you have that you can bring to the table? That's all you have to do. And once you have figured that out, I have given you the tools and the resources to actually go out there and find what you need to find. There are so many work from home opportunities out there. Don't let them pass you by. If working at home is what your desire is, then this is the video for you. Alrighty, guys, so we've gone through the resources. You've seen everything. All you have to do is just do it. And I can't stress that enough, do it. But one thing that I don't want you to forget to do, and that is to subscribe. If this is the kind of content that you need, if this is the kind of content that you are not able to find elsewhere, then subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as part of the family. Another thing too, see that little like, give us a thumbs up. By liking our videos, it increases our rankings as far as the YouTube algorithms are concerned. So we appreciate that as well. And also, leave a comment because we want to know that the content that we're providing, that is actually providing value to you. And if there's anything that you would like for us to cover, that would be the absolute best place to go as well. Leave us a comment so that we'll know that what we're doing is actually working. And then share this video. There are probably many other people you know that need this information, that need to know, how do I work from home? And this would be the perfect video for them. And I'd appreciate it if you'd follow us on our social media platforms at Instagram and also on Facebook. So guys, again, this is Shannon, and I thank you so much just for watching, for all of your support. And remember to mind your business, because if you don't, then who will? So until next time, guys, bye.